Is your hood not opening or closing the way it should? A faulty hood latch can be frustrating, and even unsafe. What you need is a replacement hood latch assembly that fits perfectly and works just like the original. This part delivers exactly that, matching your vehicle's specifications to restore smooth, secure hood operation. I've seen firsthand how a worn-out hood latch can cause headaches, from unexpected pops to difficulty closing the hood properly. That's why this replacement latch caught my attention. It's built with corrosion-resistant materials, so it won't degrade over time or leave you stranded. Plus, it's been tested extensively to ensure it fits your vehicle model and trim without any hassle. Installation is straightforward, no special tools required, making the whole process quick and stress-free. If you want a hood latch that combines durability with a precise fit, this is worth a look. Just enter your make, model, and trim in the garage tool to confirm compatibility before ordering. When you replace your old latch with this quality-tested assembly, you get peace of mind knowing your hood will close securely every time. Try it when you're ready to fix that stubborn hood and keep your vehicle running smoothly.